Jan, here we go, man. Gonna try one of these black basketball. Jan. There we go. One to 3 on top, 4 to 6 on bottom. Number 4. Oh, I forgot to show these numbers. The leftovers are 63, 72, 26, 08, and 33. Those are the leftovers. Your box is 20. 13, 14, black. Oh, I'm not sure yet, Tony. Tony. Here we go, Jan. Got a book card in the first one. 175, Keith Smart. And 1 of only 65, first one stamp. 01 of 65, Lonnie Shelton. Lonnie Shelton book autograph. Okay. There you go. And numbered to 40 on this one, Michael Cooper. Los Lobos. Patch autograph. Gold ink. Try the second half. Jordan or LeBron. Gotta be in here somewhere. Told you. Michael Jordan. 002 of 175. Getting the first one stamp's easy. Getting the second one stamped now, that's hard. We have Michael Jordan, second one stamped. 002 of 175. Looks like Grant Hill. This one's called, it's a trifold. One of those trifolds called Scenes. Eric Green, Silver Ink, Illustrious. 30 of 199. And it is Schwing. Christian Laettner and Grant Hill back in the Duke days. 27 of 35. Trifold. There you go. Huh?
I'll take that.
There's his autograph. 27 of 35. Wing. You got Duke and UNC. Alrighty. Thanks as always, Jan. Let me know if you want to try something else. See you, bud.